Hello all, welcome to Distract channel. So first of all, question is called any website. We can copy this URL, open this in incognito in Google and search by this keyword. In search by this keyword, people visible to your map for the particular all image promotion, news promotion, maps promotion, and video promotion, and less than more options are here for this option. But anything you can target by image. So see this image. When people image will be target and click here, they go to your particular option name is called Pinterest website. Which website will be Pinterest. In a Pinterest, the drive traffic on your particular website link. The drive will be traffic on your particular website link. So in this Pinterest, how to use? First of all, you can log in for Pinterest account by using Google login email. So once you have created by account will be here, then immediately we can install by the Pinterest browser extension. This browser extension will be reaching to the customers, will easily add your number of keywords. So it already is there, Pinterest save button. Next one, which one we can promoting here? Simply select this video. So open it, this video will be how to get traffic. So open this keyword into the Google. What are the most searching will be here? That is a will be how to increase your website traffic for free. Copy. Simple this option. It is a Pinterest toolbar. Click it here. When you click this one, in this one video, I can promoting for multiple keyword nothing but that is a keyword nothing but your board option. So only one link we can promoting for multiple keywords. Maybe that video we can search for different ways. So that one video we can searching for different way purpose. We can use the particular keywords are here. So see this. Only this video. What is the video title will be how to get free website traffic from 6 free website. So that will be here. 8 way to website traffic easily. People suppose then click here. They show my video also. What is the option name is called? Pinterest. Select that keyword into the board option. Click for create option. So what are the options are created here? That all will be show your Pinterest account. But any Pinterest account, you have submit any kind of things. That only option name is called Pinterest toolbar. If your website will be a Pinterest, the toolbar is not working. YouTube is working, and Google also working, but nothing will be happening in Google. So what are the website will be promoting here? That will be also will be. Suppose when I'm searching this keyword, how the people will be searching for number of ways. So digital services, here is the option, digital marketing, companies. Okay, copy, Pinterest toolbar, create a board option, create it. And one more important news, once board was created same name, for example, this board name already created. Seconds are not created will be in option will be there. So any board you can create only for one time. So this keyword is not available. Create a board. So create a board nothing but in this one website link we can promoting with the multiple keywords. Pinterest nothing but link same, image same, keyword will be number of keyword will be updated. Number of keyword will be updated. So link always same. Here only I'm changing for keywords. So what are the keywords are there? I can selecting from, see this one. Best digital marketing, agency and services. Copy this URL. Go to Pinterest. Create a board. In the create a board option, so first of all, this will be how many characters? 56. Now look the carefully. in this board was created. In this simple, I can change here. Example. So people, how we will be searching? Using for different keywords. That all will be here. So any people will be searching this keyword onto Google. What's happening? In go to images, in my Pinterest will be came to the Google. In Pinterest too, people coming to your website. So who will be give the traffic on your website? Pinterest. So who will be give this keyword from Pinterest toolbar to? I can tag the image from the particular website. So for example, is there, I can go to Hyderabad. So same image will be showing up, another image will be shown. So in Hyderabad, nothing will be on top. So here is the top, in a Google site option. My there is there. I can use a Google site URL, it will show in the top of the images. So where is my website? Nothing will be here. So here I'm writing for KPHP. In this KPHP, they're not showing my logo. What we can do this, copy the URL. Where is the services? Where is my KPHP location? Select Pinterest toolbar. I can, this tag will be keyword, the particular Pinterest account. So this indexing, how much time will be take? So based on the keyword ranking, the index will be happening in your particular option. So same, I can use by the digital marketing company in KPHP. Link is same, image same, only keyword will be changed. So one website link, we can promoting multiple keywords with the different images, that all will be Pinterest option. Pinterest visible by the one is called Google Search Console option. Nothing but Google search engine. Second thing will be email also will show to the customers. So like this Pinterest, and click here. See this here, and click. They go to where? My website. These are all kind of techniques we can use from the Pinterest option. So Pinterest, always remember, you can install the Pinterest toolbar, go to particular video open, and just click this option. See here, same keyword I can use, get free website. Click here, the video link will be shown to customers in this and here. So now anyone open in YouTube, so here our website link, YouTube link will be here. So in the same URL will be searching, you will be different patterns. So the different pattern will be indexing purpose we can using for in a particular option. And one more thing, guys, here we can click here in the images. In my YouTube link also showing for Google image purpose, we can using for Pinterest option. Pinterest will be useful two areas. One is called Google search engine, search part, and image part also, and video part also. Not only for image, not only for content, they will supporting for image, video, and content also. See this. This all will be can do option name is called Pinterest will be work out on the particular things. So right now how many posting will be done? You can check it out. So this will be here posting the my content link. What is that? Digital marketing, best digital company in KPHP. When click here, but this will be digital market services in Kukatpalli, KPHP, Hyderabad, something like that. But here is my target keyword is called digital marketing, best digital marketing company in KPHP. So when people will be suggest this keyword into Google search list and into go to images. So this will be, here is a Pinterest option, is a previous uploaded. So new link updating will be take some time. So wait for some time for the activation link. So those are links we can uploading for Pinterest and increase the traffic by using this methodologies. So this option will be very useful for the generating traffic using from Pinterest option. So anyone we can generating traffic, use the which is useful platform, we can use them and increase the traffic based on the keyword to submit on the different Pinterest website and social bookmarking website. So any question about your Pinterest option and how we can optimize, that all we can discuss into my channel. You can contact anytime, any issues will resolve your particular problem. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.